Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another walkthrough with your boy Kia Orion. I'm the man who is obsessed with making great music, and we're gonna make a trap beat inspired by Jack Harlow's with Poppin. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we got to do is figure out what the BPM is, and this is definitely something you could Google, but I'm gonna show you how I find the BPM of something. Start at the 1-1 where the drums start.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in.
And then
my body got rid of them
line
toxins.
it up.
Sports in the top 10.
Hey, that's where it is. Yes, 145. Here's the thing. I'm not remaking the beat, but we're going to be inspired by it. So let's listen to the drums, kind of see what drums he's got going on.
Just joshing. I'm spending this
Find some sort of a little bit of a trap kick. Oh, I like that. Like my kicks like my women a little hefty.
sports in the top 10.
I think I have even that clap that he's using. Yeah, something like that.
I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them.
Cool. So we got it's a super simple pattern, but there's a beauty in the simplicity. Like it's straight out the SP.
My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the
Hey, so let's get some keys. Where my keys? Where my keys? Where my keys at? We're gonna take this and duplicate this out so we can have our full bar. Open hat, hey. That's what I wanted. Hey. I'm gonna reverb them out and add a little bit of color to them, some retro color to them. I could come in here and EQ out those harsh frequencies, those pain frequencies, but I'm lazy. So I use this thing called Soothe 2, and I'm just going to slap this on here, and it's going to kind of EQ them out for me. Soothe 2, if you're ever watching the channel, sponsor me, dog. I love your stuff. Check this out without it. Kind of harsh. With it on. I feel like it needs like a little chant. That's pretty rad. Maybe with some reverb and some delay on it. I do think it would be cool to have some other hi-hats in here. And so that's the thing, is these bass notes are going to sound different than the 808s. So I'm just going to bring them in for now, kind of just like a pretty normal sounding 808 sound. I love this Loon 808. Hey, hey. Now, y'all, I'm going to jump into some vocal chops. If you've seen any of my tutorials, you know this is like my favorite sound to use. And so I'm going to come in here and we're going to go A flat minor and see if I already have some vocals for this. Quick plug, the reason that I have all these already loaded up, these effects, is because this is my Ableton template. If you want access to all of my templates that I'm using, that you're seeing in this video, MPC chops for Ableton, if you want a lo-fi effect rack for Ableton, if you want my sample packs, any of the goodies that I use, I put it together. You can find it in the description below. Check that out. Okay, under the beat. One other idea for maybe that we could start out this bar with something cool, and it's going to be with an open hat that we add just a bunch of reverb to. I already know actually in my mind the hat that I want. Yeah, that snake hat. Let's mix this down. Kia's mixing rules in a nutshell. Mix what's most important first. I like to zero everything. If you see any of my stuff, you know this is how I do it. Bring this up, throw a quick mix on this. These I want to be felt, not heard. Those hi-hats. Throw on my mastering chain. This is the curve and it's mid-side EQ. This is in all things. I have a little bit of distortion on the high end, and then I'm going to add about -1 dB's worth of compression on the overall track. We aren't doing huge sweeps on this. And then we're going to track this beat out. Cool. That is how you can make a banging Jack Harlow inspired trap beat. Hope that you dug this. Hope you found this helpful. As always, you can check out all of my goodies in the description below. This template, all my Ableton templates, my sample packs, vocal templates, all that good stuff. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.